Hi everyone. You are wondering why am I showing you cans of soft drink? And this is a piece of advice. Never leave any carbonated drinks or soft drink inside your car on a heated summer day, because that's what happened here. I have a can of cola, and as you can see, it was about to pop out. So you can imagine what would happen. It will just destroyed a lot of stuff in the car. So if you're thinking of leaving a cans of carbonated drink inside your car on a hot summer day, please make sure you don't, because what will happen, the gas inside the can will expand and it will cause a combustion of gas, and then you'll explode, and then you will leave you a nasty feeling. So thank you for watching this video.